Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best LED fog lights on Amazon. When fog blankets your surroundings, you might be able to see only a few feet in front of you, anything farther blends right into the mist. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Alla Lighting H11 LED Fog Light Bulbs. If it's the increased brightness you're looking for in a set of quality LED fog lights, consider a pair of Alla Lighting H11 LED fog light bulbs. This set of 2 ultra-bright LED fog light bulbs offers an impressive 1,400 lumens per bulb, giving you a total of 2,800 lumens to light up the foggy night sky and give you a clearer view of the road ahead of you. Each one is also built out of a premium aluminum material that allows them to cool more quickly when they aren't in use. This also gives them a longer lifespan, so you don't have to worry about changing them out so often. They include 12 volts and 8.5 watts with 710 microamps, making them highly effective in dense fog and cloudy conditions. However, you will notice that due to the lower wattage amount, they aren't all that bright. Number 2. Nilite 18W1260LM Spot Driving Fog Light. If you're looking for LED fog lights that give you great value for the money you spend, the Nilite 18W1260LM Spot Driving Fog Light is just the right choice. These lights come with an 18-watt LED light bar and adjustable mounting brackets. They offer a universal fit for all vehicles. The lights feature 1,260 lumens and die-cast aluminum alloy cooling fins, which extend the lifespan to over 30,000 hours. They are dust-proof and waterproof in up to 3.3 feet of water for 30 minutes. The lights are well-constructed, durable, bright, and provide great visibility in the rain and snow. The white light makes everything easy to see down the road. They are very directional with a spot beam and are easy to install. The wiring is long enough to reach the factory fog light wiring harness plugs from the stock bumper mounting location. Number 3. JDM Astar High Power H10 LED Fog Light Bulbs. Looking for a simple LED solution for foggy weather? You're going to love JDM Astar High Power H10 LED fog light bulbs, which make it incredibly easy to add or upgrade your car's fog lights with newer, brighter bulbs. These lights are 6000K xenon white, and each bulb is 1300 lumens. They operate at 10 watts and have a maximum capacity of 50 watts. These lights are easy to install, don't require any tools, and are well constructed. They are also brighter than stock halogen fog lights. They enhance visibility and emit a crisp, clear white light without the blue tint you may encounter in other products. The lights shine low but fill in the dark areas nicely. Number 4. Ignitoy High Power Bolt-On LED Fog Lights. Looking for fog lights that can be used in more ways than one? You're going to enjoy all of the versatility that high power bolt-on LED fog lights offer. This pair of 2 high-powered LED light bulbs offer a universal fit that's made to suit just about any car, SUV, truck, or even motorcycle. Their bolt-on style makes them pretty easy to install, and though they're small in size, they offer a powerful amount of light once they're in place on your vehicle. These fog lights are xenon white, with 1.5 watts and 6000 kelvins. But where these bulbs shine is their many uses. You can put them to work as LED fog lights, but they'll also work as parking lights, puddle lights, and backup or reverse lights. You can even use them as interior lights. Number 5. Beamtech H22 LED Fog Light Bulb. These LED fog light bulbs are brighter, more durable, and so easy to install. And it's even more than just one LED bulb. It's a set that includes 2 30-watt LED bulbs with 6 Sol Z8Y19 high-power CSP chips. The bulbs are xenon white with 800 lumens and 320-degree lighting. They are 6500K in color temperature, 12V to 24V, and have a lifespan of 10,000 working hours. The cold-pressed aluminum heat sink inside aids in reducing heat and maximizing bulb life. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.